Let's do an update. So it's gotten cold outside, right? So because it's kind of too cold to be doing anything with caulk because of the temperature. Plus we were waiting for the window drip edge to get done. It's done. I picked it up. Thanks, Jay. Appreciate that. We've been working on getting some drywall done because that's something we can do. And so upstairs, we got the ceiling in upstairs. Plus we got that wall done up there, at least the top of it where the stairs are. We've been working on the 5/8 inch drywall up here on the ceilings. That's almost done. We still got couple pieces to cut in. Looks like 1, 2, 3 over there. While that's been going on, I've been taking the 1/2 inch and starting on the lower section of the walls. I've also been working on the 5/8 inch drywall, the Firewall. So I've been working on that because that wall, both sides, this side in the house and the other side on the garage is Firewall. So it needs 5/8 inch drywall. Everything has to line up on the seams. So I've been working on that. It's kind of nice because there's a bunch of stuff that right now I can do a lot of this. Like all the 1/2 inch work on the walls, I can do a lot of that by myself. I don't need somebody to help me with a lot of it. So I can do a lot of that by myself when other people are available. They can come out, son and my husband can come out and help me do the 5/8. Meantime, I'm doing 1/2 inch down below. Tonight, what I was working on was working on these, getting these doors done with individual panels so that way we limit the number of seams above and around the doors. So that's what I've been working on. So I got, let's see, how many doors did I get done? I got this door done on both sides. I got that above the Firewall, that door that goes to the garage. I got this one done, but not the other side. And then I got this one here done that goes into the little tiny bathroom. So that's what I've been doing, you know, just a little bit at a time. Like tonight I was out here about 6:30. It's 9 o'clock, so I worked for about 2.5 hours, and I was able to cut those pieces, get those pieces up. How many pieces did I get up? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces. Whoa. You know, doesn't seem like a lot, but you know, every 5 pieces up is 5 less pieces to put up. So there you go. A little bit of progress here and there. Running that heater doesn't take it too long in here to get the temperature up to that lower temperatures up to 65. It heats up in here pretty quick. And it holds the temperature pretty well. It loses about 3/4 of a degree overnight per hour, roughly. But that's pretty good considering that we're not completely sealed up. We have vents that are open, air escaping. We've got doorknobs that are missing. We've got a doggy door that needs to go in. Again, like we got doorknobs that need to go in. So we're not completely airtight yet. We like vent right there, right? So, you know, there's lots of areas where air is escaping, but you know, considering, I think that's pretty dang good. So anyway, that's all I'm doing tonight. I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to go inside, rest for a minute, take a shower, relax, and then be back out here first thing in the morning to work on some other stuff. I'll probably tomorrow I really want to get this ceiling done here, because the idea next, so that we can limit the amount of stuff we have to move, is I want to finish the 5/8 in here, and then before we move out of this room, I want to get all the 1/2 inch done. So this room here, everywhere, will be done with drywall. So that way I can then shift and clean up a little bit in here, and then I need to shift the, I got mud and paint and other stuff sitting here that needs to really move, so it makes it easier to get in there and do the ceiling, finish the firewall to get the rest of the walls up. So I want to do that. So it's going to be finish the grand room first, and then after the grand room is done, we shift, move everything that we need to, then we finish this area completely off, all the walls in here, and then after that, probably the next shift is going to be, we're going to shift and go out to the garage and finish. We've already done some of the work in the garage, but we have more to finish out here. So out here in the garage, we have this whole entire area here that's got to be done in 5/8. And then this firewall needs to be done in 5/8. And then everything else is 1/2 inch. So I want to focus on, once we shift, right? I want to shift, move stuff around so we can work out here, get this area done. Once this area here is completely done, then the final shift is going to be that we shift over here to this far side of the house. And we finish up 5/8 and the walls in here. There is one more thing that we have to do before we do that, which is to finish the 1/2 inch in the stairwell and upstairs on the walls. Because we can do that pretty simply without having to move a lot of equipment. So we're going to do that. So that way we limit the moves of equipment and materials and just kind of simplify.